Better ways to express commonly used expressions. 1. Instead of I don't know, you can say, I'm unsure. I'm not certain. I'm not familiar with that. I'm at a loss. 2. Instead of thank you, you can say, I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Many thanks. Thanks a lot. 3. Instead of I'm sorry, you can say, I apologize. I regret that. I'm really sorry about that. Please accept my apologies. 4. Instead of I'm tired, you can say, I'm exhausted. I'm feeling drained. I could use some rest. I'm feeling fatigued. 5. Instead of I'm hungry, you can say, I'm famished. I have an appetite. I'm in need of some nourishment. I could use a meal. 6. Instead of I'm bored, you can say, I'm feeling unstimulated. I'm lacking excitement. I could use some entertainment. I'm looking for something to do. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!